Hello everyone. Welcome to the series where we are covering quantitative aptitude questions from previous year UPSC CSAT papers from 2016 to 2025. In this series we are covering questions, topic wise questions. Okay. So in the previous three sessions we covered questions on number system from previous year papers 2016 to 2018. And in this session we will cover some more questions on number system from previous year papers 2019. Okay, so let's begin with the questions. Question number 1 is the number of times the digit 5 will be written while listing the integers from 1 to 1000. Okay, now in this question we need to find how many times digit 5 will appear when we count from 1 to 1000. This question was asked in UPSC CSAT 2019. Okay, so first of all, let's see how many times digit 5 will be written when we count from 1 to 100. Okay, digit 5 will appear in the following numbers: 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, and then 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. Okay, so how many times digit 5 appeared in these numbers? This is These are 10 numbers plus, but we have digit 5 has appeared two times here. So how many times digit 5 appeared in this number? 11 times. Now again, now there are some numbers in which digit 5 appears at tens place, and these are 50, 51, 52, okay, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So how many number are these? These are 10 numbers, but we have already covered this number here. Okay, so there are how many times digit 5 appeared here? 9 times. So total appearance of digit 5 in from 1 to 100, it is 20. So from 1 to 100, how many times digit 5 appeared? 20 times. Now from 201, okay, sorry, from 101 to 200, how many times digit 5 will appear? Again 20 times. Okay, now similarly from 201 to 300, it will again appear 20 times. So on from 901 to 1000, it will appear 20 times. So how many times digit 5 appeared in these numbers? That is 20 into 10, 200 times. Okay, but there are some more numbers in which digit 5 will appear at hundreds place, and these numbers are 501 to 599, and again these are 100 in numbers. Okay, so digit 5 appears 100 times from 501 to 599. Okay, so how many times in total digit 5 appeared from 1 to 1000? That is 200 plus 100, it is 300. So right answer is C here. Now let's see question number 2. If x is greater than or equal to 25 and y is less than or equal to 40, then which one of the following statement is always correct? This question was asked in UPSC CSAT 2019. Now to solve this question, we evaluate all these statements one by one. First of all, let's see statement A. Okay, x is greater than y. Let's see whether this statement is correct or not always. Okay, so x is greater than or equal to 25 and y is less than or equal to 40. Now let's suppose x is equal to 27 and y is equal to 40. Okay. Now in this case, this statement is not correct. So this statement is not correct always. Okay. Now let's see statement B here. Okay. This is y minus x is greater than 15. That means y minus x is greater than 15. Now again suppose y is equal to 40 and x is equal to 27. Now y minus x is equal to 40 minus 27. That gives us 13. But according to the statement, y minus x is greater than 15. But there are certain values for x and y for which y minus x is 13. So this statement is not always correct. Now let's analyze statement C. Y minus x is less than or equal to 15. Okay. Now according to the statement, y minus x is less than or equal to 15. That means y minus x is the maximum value of is equal to 15. Okay. Now according to the question, maximum value of this the y minus x will be maximum when y is maximum and x is minimum. Now y maximum is 40 and x minimum is equal to 25. So y minus x will be maximum. Okay. That means y minus x is less than or equal to 50. So this statement C is always correct. Okay. Now since we have found our answer, we need not to evaluate the statement D here. Okay. So let's move to question number 3. Question number 3 is, if the numerator and the denominator of a proper fraction are increased by the same positive quantity which is greater than 0, the resulting fraction is. Again we are given 4 statements here and we need to verify which of these statement is always correct. Okay. Now let's see. So first of all, let's see what is a proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction in which denominator is always greater than the numerator. Okay. Let's suppose here in this question our fraction is say 2 by 5. This is a proper fraction. Here denominator is greater than numerator. Now according to the question, if we add any certain positive value, any positive quantity in the numerator and the denominator. Okay, let's suppose we add 2 here in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. New fraction will be 4 by 7. Okay. Now let's compare the old fraction with the new fraction. It is 2 by 5. This is 4 by 7. It is 14. It is 20. Okay. So obviously the new fraction, okay, is always greater than the original fraction. So right answer is B here. Now question number 4 is, an 8-digit number, we are given a number here, leaves remainder 0 when divided by 3. How many values of B are possible? Now we are given a number here. This number leaves a remainder 0 when divided by 3. That means this number is exactly divisible by 3. Okay, so any number is divisible by 3 when the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Okay, now given number is 42572746b and sum of its digits is 30 plus b. Now for this number to be divisible by 3, 30 plus b should be divisible by 3. That means b should be either 0, 3, 6 or 9. So how many values of b are here? 4. So right answer is 4 here. Now let's move to question number 5. Number 136 is added to 5b7 and the sum obtained is 7a3, where a and b are integers. It is given that 7a3 is exactly divisible by 3. The only possible value of b is. Now according to the question, we have a number 5b7 and when we add 136 to this number, we get a sum 7a3. Now again, this sum is divisible by 3. That means sum of its digits is divisible by 3. That means 10 plus a should be divisible by 3. Now possible values of a can be 2, 5, 8. Now let's see what can be the possible values of b which give us possible values of a. Okay. Now when we add 7 to 6, it gives us 3 here plus 1 carry. Now when we add b b plus 3 plus carry, we get a, plus we must get a carry here. Okay, from this sum 1 b 3 we must get a carry 1 here so that we can get 7 here. Okay, so 1 plus b plus 3 should be greater than or equal to 10. That means b should be greater than or equal to c. That means possible values of b can be 6, 7, 8 or 9. Now let's see for which value of b we get value of a. Okay, now when b is equal to 6, okay, value of a is equal to, now see, 1, b is 6, 7 plus 3 10. Value of a is equal to 0. When b is equal to 7, value of a is equal to 1. When b is equal to 8, value of a is equal to 2. And when b is equal to 9, value of a is equal to 3. Okay. The only possible value of b for which we get a value of a is 8. So right answer is 8 here. Let's move to question number 7. A printer numbers the pages of a book starting from 1 and uses 3089 digits in all. How many pages does the book have? Now according to the question, how many pages we can print starting from 1 when we have 3089 digits? Okay? Now let's see. When we print pages from 1 to 9, how many digits we use? Now from 1 to 9 we have 9 numbers, and each in these numbers, in each these numbers we have one digit. So how many digits we are using? 9. Now for printing 10 to 99, we have how many number? We have 19 numbers, and each number consists of 2 digits. So how many digits we use? 180. Now for printing 100 to 999, okay, how many numbers we have? 900. and how many digits we use per number? 3, and total digits we use 2700. Okay, so for counting from 1 to 999, how many digits we use? 2889. Okay, now so for printing from 1 to 999, we have used 2889 digits. Now for printing 4 digit numbers, we are left with how many digits? Let's see. Digits left 3089 minus 2889, it is equal to 200. So how many 4 digit numbers are there? Okay, 50. We have already printed 1 to 999 with 2889 digits, and for printing next 200 and for printing next 50 numbers, we use 200 digits. So in total we count up to, we can say we print up to 1 2, how many pages we print? 999 plus 50, it will be 1049. So 1049. Okay, so right answer is C here. Next, let's see question number 7. X is between minus 3 and 1 and y is between minus 1 and 1, then x square minus y square is in between which of the following? Okay, now value of x can be from minus 3 to minus 1 and value of y can be from minus 1 to 1. Now x square can be from 1 to 9 and y square can be from 0 to 1. Now in the question we have x square minus y square. So maximum value of x square minus y square will be when x square is maximum, that is 9, and y square is minimum, that is 0, it will be 9. Now x square minus y square minimum when x square is minimum, x square is minimum 1, and y square is maximum, that is 1, 0. So value of x square minus y square, okay, can be from 0 to 9. So right answer is D here. If you find the session useful, please like, share and subscribe and support our channel. Thank you.